Ever look at your desert garden in the winter and think, why does everything look dead and some things are still thriving? And then you ask yourself, did this plant just die? Don't worry, some plants are just taking a nap. Hi, I'm Shanice, and if you're new here, I'm a backyard desert gardener in Arizona. If you're gardening in a hot, dry climate like me, winter looks a little bit different around here, so let's go walk around and take a look. What's gone dormant? Let's start with all my warm season vegetables. I have one tomato plant that I had to move into my greenhouse because the temperatures dropped so low at night. It's still producing a little bit, but I like to leave them for the tomato hornworm. My peppers are surprisingly still growing, but they're not as green as they used to be in the summer. I have a bean plant that I started late summer. It kind of grew a little bit, but now it's not growing at all. My sweet potato plants took a little bit of damage from the hail that we had last week, but soon they will be ready to be harvested. And some of the plants may grow back next year. The tops look rough, but the roots are still alive. Perennials and native plants that sleep. I have a plumeria tree that's a tropical plant. This plant will go dormant in the winter and bloom in spring, typically dropping all of its leaves. I have a desert sagebrush that's an evergreen shrub. It's very pretty in the spring and summer, but in the winter the leaves turn yellow. Now for my red Mexican sunflowers. These bad boys are holding on for dear life, but in a few weeks they will get finished off by the cold weather. We have Mexican purple petunias that are heat-loving flowers. These plants cannot survive without the summer heat. So a lot of those plants will go completely dormant. They look dead, but they're not. This is their recharge time. If you have plants that produce fruit, like a pomegranate tree, grapevine, or an apricot tree, this is when they drop their leaves and settle into dormancy. Let them rest and don't prune too early. However, citrus trees do not drop their leaves and may stay green and hold their fruit through the winter. Just protect them when the temperatures drop under 32 degrees. The most important thing when it comes to dormant plants is to not overwater them. They don't need it and you could rot out the roots. What's still thriving? Here's where desert gardening gets fun. Winter is our growing season. Vegetables like carrots, cilantro, beets, and spinach are all thriving right now. Even the herbs like the cool season weather, like sage, spearmint, which bounced back from the summer, and parsley that actually loves the winter here. Now let's get into the desert plants. Just look at the Baja fairy duster, which blooms pretty red flowers, Cape honeysuckle, that blooms beautiful yellow orangish flowers, and evergreen bushes like this lavender starflower. These plants not only survive the winter, but they thrive in the winter, which brings us so much color even when other plants went completely dormant. And you'd be surprised that flowers actually bloom during this time of year, like cosmos. And in Arizona, we have plants that just survive the whole entire year, like succulents, and desert plants that'll bloom all year, like this yellow bell bush. This desert plant is so cool and has yellow trumpet-shaped flowers. This is how you could care for both dormant and thriving plants. Dormant plants need very little water. Cool season plants need consistent water but light watering. Also, lightly mulch everything. Mulch keeps the roots warm and holds in moisture during the dry winter months. Cool season vegetables love a light compost top dressing. Dormant plants don't need anything. So if your garden looks half dead and half amazing, that's exactly how a desert garden should look like in the winter. Let me know down in the comments what's still growing in your garden.